Hello, this is Jeff from Vocal Boost to Go, and this is the VOMO Backpack. And this is designed, now I have to tell you, we have a lot of customers who really do travel, meaning they don't just go from one hotel to another hotel, they actually live outside in the wild, they climb the mountains, they climb the waterfalls, and they ride the bikes, and they need something that would kind of, so they can carry VOMO with them, not just in the baggage on the shelf, but on the back attached. And this is why we designed this backpack. Now, it is designed to fit the VOMO and some of your accessories. Now, it's waterproof. It has very, very durable nylon on outside. You can click that, and then there is a drawstring, so that even if you put it in, you can pull the drawstring, and that would enclose the VOMO inside, and then this bag, and it becomes completely weatherproof. So it will protect that even if you are riding the bike. It's going to protect from all the dirt and everything else. Now, the bag has lots of pockets for any additional accessories. It has one pocket at the top, big large pocket. I don't know what you're going to put in there. You can put your sandwich in there. It's also all lined up. You see there is a waterproof line over here. So maybe if you do fishing, you can put fish in there. And you zip up so it doesn't escape. There is another big pocket here. This is where you can put some other things. I don't know what. You can put maybe a microphone there. Maybe you can put some, notes, or maybe you can put some spare hatchet. If you go outdoors, you're probably going to have to sell something, live outdoors, like a bushcraft, for the bushcraft. Now, there are pockets here for water. So you can put your water supply here, and the same as over here. You can carry that. It also have tie-up straps. So let's say once you put everything in, so you want to make it tight, you just pull the cord and makes it nice and tight. So that's that. Now on the back, first of all, it's reinforced. It's all reinforced to make sure it withstands any rigors of your travel. The shoulder pads, comfortable. Then you have also the handle here, so you can grab the handle, and obviously it's all attached, adjustable. You can adjust heights. There is a chest strap, to keep it on. Very nice, very well done, very well made. Now, it's designed to fit the VOMO. This is what the VOMO would look like when it's all full. It includes all the accessories like light, mini boom, and mounting gear. It doesn't include the tripod in there, but it also includes the hood and everything else. And all that can fit in this backpack. Just like that. And you pull it tight. And close up. That's it. This can also be tightened up. Might look a little large. It's pretty comfortable. Usually people use tripods so they can record standing, and the tripod can also fit in here. Open it up a little bit. There is plenty of room for that. And just zip it up. It doesn't even feel anything. Or the tripod usually comes in a bag like this. It also fits with the bag. The straps are adjustable. The front pocket can be used for, you know, besides the fish, can also be used for the filter, pop filter can go in there. So this is it. This is the VOMO travel backpack. Very durable, very spacious, to fit not only VOMO and a tripod, and also other travel necessities that you might have.